Goodbye, first grade. Today's video is coming from the gazebo on the playground because it's just another beautiful spring day. And I have a book to share with you called Girl and Gorilla. And it is very, very silly because it's about a girl and a gorilla going out and about. This silly page. Okay, I'm going to try to adjust so you can see it really well. How's that? That's good. Girl and Gorilla are best friends. One day, Gorilla visits Girl. You are upside down, says Gorilla. You are upside down, says the girl. Oh, says Gorilla. He turns right side up. He gives Girl a big gorilla hug. Where shall we play, says Girl. On the moon, says Gorilla. We never play on the moon. The moon is too far, says Girl. How about the park? Is the park far, Gorilla asks. Not as far as the moon, says Girl. We can ride on my bike. Girl and Gorilla climb onto Girl's bike, and off they go. Oh no, says Gorilla. How can we get to the park? How can we play? What happened? Oh, they hit a trash can. Have you ever hit something on your bike? We can, Girl begins. I know, says Gorilla. We can hopscotch to the park. Uh-oh, the screen's going dark. There we go. Girl and Gorilla play hopscotch. Hop, 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 hop. Gorilla is hopping to the park. Oh, that's a fun game that you could play at home in your driveway. Then hop, turn, hop, 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 hop. Oh no! He is hopping away from the park. He's going the wrong way. How's that going to work? See if I can get a good angle. There we go. We will never get to play, says Gorilla. We can. Girl starts. Jump rope. We can jump rope to the park. You don't have a rope, says Girl. We can use my tail, says Gorilla. You don't have a tail, says Gorilla. Says Girl. But we can. Do you know that? Apes, like gorillas and orangutans, don't have tails because they're apes. But monkeys do have tails. Wish we were there, says Gorilla. Close your eyes. Girl and Gorilla close their eyes. They wish. They open their eyes. Do you think it worked? We're at the park, says Gorilla. No, says Girl. We will never get to play, cries Gorilla. We will, says Girl. Let's walk and think. Uh-oh, do you have a little brother or sister that sometimes reacts that way? We'll never get to do it. Girl takes Gorilla's hand. They walk and think and think and walk. What do you think her plan is? We could ride an elephant, says Gorilla. We don't have an elephant, says Girl. Oh dear, says Gorilla. Girl and Gorilla walk and think and walk. I know, says Gorilla. We can be kites and fly to the park. We don't have any strings, says Girl. We can use my tail, says Gorilla. You don't have a tail, says Girl. Girl and Gorilla walk and think and walk. Finally, Gorilla says, we will never get there. You mean there, says Girl. The park, says Gorilla. Girl and Gorilla play in the park. They hopscotch. They jump rope. They make wishes. Whoa, pages are sticking up. And ride elephants. And fly kites. And then it comes time to go home. Is home far away, Gorilla asks. Not as far as the moon, says Girl. And Girl takes Gorilla's hand, and they begin to walk. Oh, that was a really nice story. Thanks for reading with me. And I thought the best place to read a story about a park is on the playground. Our playground is such a fun place to be, and I hope we get to come back and play on it soon. Goodbye, first grade.